are in Lake Highlands, one of my absolute favorite neighborhoods. You can see just right off in the distance right here is really the White Rock Lake, and so absolutely beautiful area. I love it. There's a 9-mile track that goes all the way around White Rock Lake that you can bike, hike, run, and just really enjoy the weekend. And you can see there's plenty of open space up here, but Lake Highlands is a good mix of the old and the new. Actually, we're coming up on this home right here that's under construction, and we will be filming this one here within its completion within the next couple of months, so that will be coming to the market very shortly. But we're going to turn down here, and one of the best things I love about Lake Highlands is the elevation changes. You'll notice we kind of start to go down on a little bit of a pitch here, and these homes in the spring and summer and fall really completely covered by all the tree cover, encapsulated with shade. It really helps really give the neighborhood exclusive feel, and these homes absolutely beautiful. But again, old and new. A lot of people, some are tearing down some of these older homes and rebuilding, or like the home we're actually about to show you has been completely redesigned on the inside. It was actually originally built in the 1940s, but we're coming up on it here now. Travis, what do you like about this area?
I mean, I love the neighborhood as a whole, and like you kind of touched on earlier, being able to hit the lake and be able to bike and run, and you can take canoes, you can do your stand-up paddle boards. I mean, everything around here is phenomenal, and the school district here is top-notch. You have some of the best schools in Dallas, and this is prime real estate. I mean, this is where you want to be. If you want to be in Dallas, this is one of the spots that you want to be. So if you can find a home out here, you might want to jump on it, and you got to jump on it really quick, because these homes, they don't last very long, but it is prime real estate, and this is definitely one of the best spots. So we're going to go check out this property. Can't wait to show you the outside, the inside. It is top notch, and we're going to go check it out right now. Let's get it.
Now, as we mentioned, what I absolutely love about this neighborhood, and you're going to see it right behind us, is the elevation changes. I mean, imagine during the spring and summer when all of these trees have all of their leaves. This is completely enclosed in shade, and you just have the elevation. I like that change up here because in Dallas, we don't have mountains and we don't have beach and we don't have a lot of elevation change, but you'll see on this home a beautiful farmhouse cottage style. You see the cottage style garage doors as well, which is always a nice touch just to upgrade the house a little bit. And you'll see on the inside as well, completely shiplap everywhere inside to give it that true cottage feel. But what do you like about the outside?
Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can see, like Levi said, the elevation. You got the stone walkway all the way up into the front door, and this house is just beautiful. I mean, it's an older house. This house was built in the 1940s. They actually lifted this house up and moved it here from a different location. You're probably asking, how the hell do you do that? I don't know the answer to that, but they actually did. They moved that house here, and they've completely remodeled the inside. It's beautiful. I can't wait to show you the inside and walk you around.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
This home is valued at $1.4 million. And if you're watching this within the first week of this video, it is going on the market. So if you want to put an offer in, you better act fast, because the homes here in the Dallas market are going very quickly. But this home is 3,300 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bath, and it's brought to you by a well-dressed home. Emily and her team completely redesigned this 1940s home here. Absolutely beautiful. And they are the best team in Dallas for all of your interior design needs, whether you're just remodeling one home or doing an entire house. They are definitely the team you want to hire to do that. So you can see here, as you walk in, nice light white coloring all in the living room. You notice shiplap on that back wall. You got shiplap behind the gallery wall here as well. Every piece of furniture in here really draws out the space as well, because in these older homes, some of the rooms can be a little bit on the smaller side, but at the same time, depending on how you design it and the furniture you put into it, is really gonna give the room that much larger feel, which Emily has done very well in this living area as well. Beautiful furniture. You see you've got a nice big screen TV on the wall as well, so watching the game right here. Also, if you're gonna be cooking, you've got this beautiful open concept. beautiful drapery from ceiling to the floors as well. But wait until you see the kitchen. Let's check it out.
Isn't this a kitchen to die for? If you're looking for this style of home, this is exactly what you're looking for. It's bringing a lot of the modern style that you're going to be seeing today in the new construction properties, mixing it in with the older style homes. This has been very well thought out. The colors, the combinations. They have this beautiful Italian calicotta marble slab throughout the entire kitchen. I thought they did really well with that. You have the open shelving right here, which is, you know, the old school style. You know, instead of everything being all boxed off and closed off, they have an open style. You got the big farm sink right here with the natural light coming straight through. And of course, you have the entire living space right here. So if you want to use this for breakfast, if you want to use this for dinner, this is where you're going to be sitting with your entire family. And again, you got the Italian marble coming straight through here. And I love the big wooden open beams, and it's a little bit taller from the living space into the kitchen. They did a great job of opening that up, putting some big wooden open beams, and then you bringing in all this natural light with the double doors. You have two pairs of double doors, bringing in all that natural light with the pool view in the back. The pool is beautiful, the master's beautiful. I can't wait to show you that, but you know we gotta save the best for last. So right now we're gonna go upstairs. This has two different upstairs. You got two different stairwells, two different upstairs. So we're gonna go check that out right now. So come on, follow me right this way and let's go take a look.
Now before we head up the primary staircase to see the main upstairs area, you gotta come down and check out the office. And I tell you what, I do a lot of work from home, well, and out in the field as well, as you can see. But when I am working from home, I tell you what, I am a sucker for big desks. I like space. I love this old wood desk. You can see right here, it's got some texture on it as well. But mainly, this is really what's most important to me, is always having a window, or in this case, you got French doors to the outside, which means if I was in here working, I could I'd pull up my chair, and during the summertime, I could have the French doors open. When we take you out in the backyard, at the end, stick around for that, then you'll see you've got a beautiful pool area with the fountains going, very pleasing to the ears, very calming, and so makes it a lot easier to get your work done during the day. Now let's go check out the secondary upstairs. But as you do this, you've got entry to the garage right here, and then you have your mudroom area right here in the stairwell. And we're just gonna head up short flight of stairs right into the family room, the crafts room, the secondary offices for the kids, everything that they can do. You can see you've got one station over here for the kids so they can have separate spaces. They've got the cork board up there. They can pin all their fun stuff. You've got nice seating over here as well, and you even have another workstation right behind you. You'll notice on this side, you've got the TV area. So again, come up here and watch the movies, play some video games, and notice how they've also put the shiplap up here along in the ceiling versus the walls, as to where you have a nice, beautiful wallpaper in here. And so this is a great area for everybody to come up here, get some work done, or have movie night with everyone else. But let's go check out the rest of the other upstairs.
All right, y'all, I can't wait to show you the upstairs because, well, why not, right? This has an amazing, this actually used to be the old master bedroom that they kept upstairs. Now they've converted this into whatever you want it to be. It could be a mother-in-law suite. It could just be a big room. It could really be whatever you want. But as you can see, they have tall vaulted ceilings in here, and you have lots of natural light throughout the entire room. And I gotta show you the bathroom because they really thought everything out when they remodeled this property, because even in the bathrooms, everything is very, very well done. Lots of, come on in here, lots of natural lighting. You know what I'm saying? You got the window right here, it just kind of opens everything up. Big, beautiful, tall shower that you can stand up in. I'm 6'3", so I need a big open shower, and this is exactly what I'm looking for if I'm looking for a house like this. And there's two other bedrooms upstairs, and I wanna take you over here. All right, so let's go check out the kids' rooms. I think the way that they designed it is really, really fun, really unique for both the male and the female. And I mean, look at this, come on. It doesn't get any more Texas than this. They got antlers on their chandelier. I mean, that is about as Texas as it gets. I personally, I love it. You know, I have two girls, but if I did have a son, I would definitely hang up one of those chandeliers. But you got plenty of space, big walk-in closet, good natural lighting. I mean, everything that you need is gonna be right here. And then they have the beautiful little girls' room right over this way. And I'm not gonna lie, I would probably give my daughters this room as well because it's got even more natural light, beautifully well designed. You got the crystal chandelier and you got the best view. I mean, you got the view of the pool sitting right here in your windowsill. So it's absolutely beautiful in the summertime. And let's not forget to check out this beautiful bathroom that the his and hers can share right here. And they did the same thing. They paid a lot of attention to detail in here. Nice, completely remodeled. Got the window right there to let natural light in, and they have that same beautiful Italian Calcutta marble slab right here in the bathroom. I mean, they did a great job. This whole house is absolutely beautiful. Now, let's go check out the next part of the house. All right, so I know y'all are loving this house just as much as I am right now, but we're not done yet. This is the moment that you've all been waiting for. We're gonna head back to the opposite side of the house, and we are going to check out the master suite, and it is absolutely beautiful. The way they redesigned this, let me just show you. Come on, let's go check it out. Watch your step there now. One of the things I really love is they actually have this pool bath, right? So since the pool is right there on the back side, they have a full shower. So if you're outside and you're outside enjoying the pool and you want to come in here, you got to go to the bathroom, or you need to take a shower to get rinsed off, you have everything that you need right here. And then here we have it. Let's check out this beautiful master bedroom. Completely remodeled, tall ceiling, just stunning all the way around. You got the French doors that double on both sides of the room. So as you're chilling, sleeping, watching your big screen TV, you have the views of the outside. You can hear the water running, very peaceful. The ambiance is it's just to die for. Now, if you think this master is to die for, you ready for this? Let's go check out the master bathroom. Oh, hey, it's Levi.
And welcome to your master bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. You'll notice as soon as you walk in, you've got this beautiful clawfoot tub with the chrome fixtures. And you'll notice right over here, you have the vanity area, so the missus can put on the makeup for the day. You've got even hooks for the towels, or I mean, not the towels, but for your robes, giving you that spa-like feeling. And again, her sink over here as well. Next to the vanity, you have the hexagon tile on the floor, bordered by the Calcutta marble as well. Absolutely beautiful. And then when you walk over to this side and moving over here, then of course you have his sink as well. So you have nice separation on both sides of the tub. You have the walk-in shower with the rain head in there. And you have this master closet all the way, full walk-in. Lots of depth in here, these are hard to find in these older homes, but again, Emily and her team here added this on, built in completely, so that you have plenty of room for your shoes, his side and her side as well, making it, very spacious in here. But now, what you've all been waiting for, let's go check out the backyard and the pool area. And now to my favorite part, and especially here in Dallas, Texas, we love the outdoors. First of all, you'll notice you come out here, you have a covered patio area, seating for 5. You have beadboard lining the ceiling here. Very nice touch, as well as a brick fireplace, so you can stay warm on some of these cooler nights here in the winter time, even though it's gonna be 65 today. But then you have what I absolutely love is this rectangle pool. To me, that just gives it a nice clean, and I guess someone's already off the job already, but let's walk down here. You'll notice you've got the AstroTurf throughout this whole backyard, which makes it very simple, because whenever you got the kids coming in and out of the pool, you don't have to worry about getting, them getting too muddy, of course, because you have the turf built in here. But you've got the nice fountains going, which I mentioned earlier. If you're in there working in the office area, this is what you can listen to. And you'll notice, you can see how the backyard elevates again, because what I love about the whole Lake Highlands area is all of these elevation changes. But I think it's time probably to wrap this up. What do you say, Travis?
Man, I think it's time for some mimosas, maybe a little Bloody Mary. No, I'm just kidding. But it is absolutely beautiful back here. And I mean, this is what I love about the Texas weather, like as a whole. I mean, we're literally in the middle of February, or early February, and it's sunny and 65 degrees out here. It's absolutely stunning. So yes, I think it is time to kick back, relax, enjoy the view, and enjoy the sun. I need to get a tan anyways, I'm super white, but hey, let's get it.
And as we mentioned before, if you're seeing this video within the first week of release, this home is available and for sale. All of our information is in the description below. Be sure to reach out, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email if you want any more information on this home or any of the other homes that we feature on this channel. And again, thank you to Emily and her team at A Well Dressed Home. And until next time, well, we hope to show you around town.